Welcome to Mojo Friday. This is Joe Lesh from Booth Camp and VoiceOver Extra. Today's topic, acting is empathy. Empathy, the ability to understand and share the feelings of another. Top performances are accomplished by having a good understanding of your storyline, attitude, and character. Empathy adds the human element to your voice and allows you to become a good storyteller. We feel connected to many of our favorite actors because they have the ability to cause us to feel their empathy. It's through this shared understanding that the audience relates to the human condition. Your audience appreciates the insight you give them. Your successful performance allows your audience to think something they've never even thought of. And this should be your goal for every performance. We communicate for those who can't express themselves as well as a voice actor can. Those with little or no training have not yet mastered the conversational read. The conversational read is the single most sought-after performance. Clients assume that you, as a voice actor, will deliver the human condition to their message, regardless of how stiff the script may be. Scripts require your imagination. And remember, you can't fake empathy. This is Joe Lesh from Booth Camp Online. There's a subscribe button on my YouTube channel. It should be right about there. Be sure to click it. And join me for Mojo Friday, the first and third Friday of each month here at VoiceOver Extra for voiceover tips from Booth Camp. It's time to get your mojo working.